Hey there, today we're going to discuss more about two-dimensional arrays, and we're going to talk about how to access two-dimensional arrays. So let's get started. Let me just maximize this, and as you can see I have this file created earlier, ex4041 underscore accessing two-dimensional array. And to access an element of a two-dimensional array, both the row index and the column index are required. So I have here this statements created earlier. So it's a 2 by 3, it's the same 2 by 3 array. So we can put make sure to put the semicolon at the end in here. So we can use the printf to display the results. And let me just type this in real quick. Element 3 in row 2 is percent %d, then the new line, and then it's b, and then 1 first row, and then column second. So it's going to be column second is in the third column, so the value of the third column. So make sure to put the semicolon at the end, and we can also initialize it or put a new value to our array by doing the same procedure. So we're going to assign or update the value of our array B, the first row, and then the third. Let's put 25, and then let's display the result again. So we just copy this and put this in here. So element in row 3, we can put this after update element 3 in row 2. We can just leave it like that. So let's go ahead and run this. Right click, compile and run, and we'll see the results. So as you can see, it is 20, which is on the second. So the first element is in row first, and then so it's going to be in here since it starts with 0, index 0, right? So this is the 0, this is the second, or the second row, since it starts with 0. So 1 will be in here, and then it's pointing out to the index or to the element third, since it starts from 0, 1, 2. So this will be the target element, and as you can see, it is correct. So element 3 in row 2 is 20. The same goes with this example. So in this line 11, we updated the value of our array. So we put 25, and we display the results, and we get 25, which is correct. So we can also try another example in here. Just as a for loop is used to iterate through a one-dimensional array, nested for loops are used to traverse a two-dimensional array as well. So we can update this by using for loop. So let's just put a comment in here: display array, display array content. So let's just initialize, okay, let's just put it in here. So int k is equal to 0, k is less than the second, less than the second, and then increment curly braces, and then let's put kj, then j is equal to, j is less than 2, less than to 3, j plus plus, and then let's display the result. And then our array, so it's going to be k and j, and then we also need to put the line break in here so that it will be on a separate line. Alright, let's try running this real quick, compile and run, and we should be able to see the results. So it has, so as you can see, the values of our first and second element displays on our screen correctly. 326 445 20. So that's how you do it using the for loop. So again, we use the two-dimensional array in here, so rows and columns, so 2 by 3 dimensional array. So that's it for this. So that's it, and before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have here a little exercise for you in this tab. So the same drill, I want you to fill in the blanks to calculate and output the sum of the elements of the array. So as you can see, I have declared and initialized the array in here. I have the sum variable, I have the total, I have the for loop to compute the total of our array, then we need to print it to the screen, the total amount. So as you can see, there's a lot of missing information in here that needs to be filled in. If you know the answer, feel free to put it in the comment section below. Thank you.